These cardinals in the leaves were filmed at Zamula by Jackie Anderson. Here we see a small shoal of cardinal tetras, Paracharodon axelrodi. These fish were over in this pool off to the side of the faster-moving water of the Igarape, and this was a place that looked like it had recently flooded. The water over here was a few feet deep and very still, unlike the faster-moving, more permanently flooded areas of the Igarape. Over here, these fish have plenty of biofilms to graze on, and there are lots of edible things settled on and in between the leaves. Flicking the surface of the water slightly attracted a lot of these fish to come closer. Local fishermen think that this sound makes them think that there's fruit or something edible falling into the water from the recently flooded forest. These fish look like beautiful blue gems here in the bright sunlight, and for decades the gentle capture of these fish in particular sustained the economy of this region. The populations of the fish respond to seasonal water level changes, and the fishery is built around catching the fish as water levels are low or dropping. At this time in the seasonality of the water levels, fish that don't make it back into the more permanent water of the Igarapes stand to be trapped and dry up. As water levels rise, the fish that do survive are able to repopulate the flooded forest as the habitat and the food sources become available again. This makes the populations of the fish incredibly resilient to fishery pressure, and as long as the habitat is protected, the fish thrive year after year, and this entire system encourages habitat protection by providing an economic incentive to protect what the fish need to rebound year after year. And just look at how beautiful they are in this bright sunlight and still water.